do my dance and it be.
Angel Kicks back here with another video. We're gonna be doing a sneaker review on the Pirate Blacks 2016 edition. I copped these from my friend 2 days ago. He was selling them, so I was just like, yo, let me get these, bro. And then he hooked them up. Shout out to my son Devon. He got them from my son Chris. Shout out to my son Chris from Mount Foods. We were all working together one summer, and Chris was wearing them, and then Chris didn't want them, so you know, Devon was like, yo, what's up? And then he bought them. So now I got them now. So Devon hit me with it, and I got them. Shoot, I'm happy. I seen these first, like when I first started seeing these getting like crazy. I seen them like getting like, these were worth like 1,000, I think, when they first came out. And I was like, damn, bro, I don't got bread like that. Like, I can't pay $1,000 for a sneaker, even though they fire. Like, I'm not gonna pay that much. So I waited and waited. They still didn't go down, and now they're even worth more. So I was like, nah, can't get them. But my son Devon, he caught them from Chris, which Chris caught them back then for cheap. So that Devon was selling them, copped them quick, and now I got them. These is what they look like. They got that black and gray pattern that you can see. I think you can see on the laces they got that gray pattern too. They pretty fire. They have that red in the back stitching. And the inside they got that gray and black pattern again going in. This is not the original Adidas box that came with these. He threw them out. I asked him the other day if he had another one, but he said he didn't. He just threw it out. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna put it on my butters, and that's exactly what I did. Is put it on top, make it look like it did have the original box that came with it, but it didn't. So I was happy anyway that I copped them. So I didn't really care to really like look at it. So
I wanted to show you guys the Adidas side on the side of the shoe, but you know the glare on the windows wouldn't allow me to. So I was just telling you guys that it just had the Adidas sign on this side of the shoe, and on the other pair of shoe just had the YZY on the side.
This one has the Yeezy sign. I think you see this one. Pretty good. I really like these because it goes with everything. Like I'm wearing black and gray right now. I probably could throw these on and go to work, but I'm not gonna throw them on to go to work. These is like to go out and, you know, do something. So that's what I'm gonna use them for. I really wanted to cop them back then, but now that I got them, shoot, I'm happy I didn't cop them back then, because I probably would have just used them. They probably would have been done for now. Cause I be wearing sneakers and they just go bad after a while. But now that I got these, shoot, I'm gonna keep these fresh, like extra fresh. Probably gonna wear these like one time every month or something. But these are size 10. I'm a size 9.5. They aren't true to the size unless you take out the little spot in the bottom. But I like how they fit though. They mad comfy. Like you could do everything in these. I'm so happy that I got them. My son hooked it up. Shout out to my son Devon again. I really wanted to get them because I was just like, yo, black. I got these and the chill ones that I just did a sneaker review on those. I was like, these and those, fire combo. I wear these one day, wear those one day, and then I cop another pair of sneakers like Jordans or something easy. So I was like, yeah, let me just get these to go in my collection. So now I'm hyped. Can't believe it though. Like I messed with these sneakers so bad. Like I really like that green little pattern on the side, the black and gray all through the sneaker. Like damn, they thought this one out. Like I like how everything goes together. The bottom has, you know, same thing it has with the other ones. The boost looks a little, you know, yellowish. I try to clean it a little bit. But at least, like, you know, the signs of the boost, little sign of Adidas right here, you see it. Everything still looks clean on these shoes, so that's exactly why I got them. Got these ones, same thing on the other shoe. Still got the, you know, the Adidas sign right here, the boost down here. I cleaned it a little bit to make it look like clean still, but these are not bad though. These is still good, so I'm gonna rock these. I don't know when, but I'm gonna rock these soon. I'm gonna wear them for next year for school if we do have school. I'm gonna rock these. So catch me wearing these outside probably once a month, just on a hot day, summer day or something, next year in class or something. I'm gonna do a close-up on these real quick. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. I don't know if you get let me just put them right here.
After the sneaker close-up, the phone fell, so I just cropped it out. I just want to say thank you guys for everything, all support. I appreciate everything, man.